Hi everyone. So we will see what are the different kind of filters you can apply. Like these are some are inbuilt, some are you can create a custom filter on the JSON data. So here in the previous tutorial I was trying to demonstrate some filters. So I can repeat that. Like you can put limitations on the data which you want to show. Like if you put a limit to equal to colon 2, then the number of records, the number of iteration this ng repeat will do, that will be equal to 2. And here we will do one more thing. I created this input text field. So whatever I'm typing, it will search that in the record. So that will be much helpful. So there are three tables, three ng repeat loops for the demo I created. So just take a look on the first one. If you type, because this text is not there, so it will not show any data. If you put the name which is available there, then it will show that record. If you put anything, then first table will disappear. So this is, I mean, you can put the ng model and put the binding in the search text. You need to put a filter here, filter colon, the search text. You can apply multiple filter. You just need to put a pipeline there. Like I am first limiting it to the 2 records, then apply, and then I am applying this filter. You can remove this. If you remove this, then you will see all the records in the first table. There are 3 records. Like if you search P, then if you click on P, then relevant results is Peter, so it is being shown. Second one is order by some attribute. So whatever the data you are showing, you can put an order by with that. So it will display the data order by name. You can have multiple filters. I'm just using order by here. So when you refresh it, you will see this is order by alphabetically. Now the records are coming in order. So these are the 3 or 4 different kind of filters you can apply. You can create some custom filters. You can create order by some attribute name like first name, last name. You can limit the number of records. These are the different things. So this is ng repeat. Ng repeat is a directive which loop in your JSON records, and if you see the page source of this, it is creating a lot of, it is here not creating. If you inspect this, what HTML data it is creating, you can see it is just looping in that data. You see this ng repeat. So it is just creating that HTML template based on the filter. Okay, that's all for this video.